Hey guys, welcome back to Warpaint Off-Road. This video is going to be a little bit different. I just want to show you a really awesome product. We're here on scene at my local off-road park, and this thing is going to save you a bunch of time, provide you a bunch of comfort, and also make your tires last a little bit longer. So check it out. Make sure you stay to the end for an awesome discount code. All right, so as you heard me say a minute ago, I'm at my local off-road park, and I'm here in Texas at a park called Hidden Falls Adventure Park. It's got a little bit of something here for everybody. And one of the coolest things about this park is it has air stations. These Jeeps here are lined up to fill up their tires after they aired them out to go rock crawling off-road, which is awesome. But it takes a lot of time, and it's like a million degrees outside. So you basically grab the hose, walk over to each tire, spend some time, constantly check the pressure, right? And it takes a while, and you're crouched down in the heat at the end of a long day. Well, EasyFlate has made an awesome product, and they've made a change to their awesome product that makes it even awesomer. I don't know if that's a word, but it's really, really cool. Let me show you what it's about. This is EasyFlate's Moab system, but unlike their old Moab system, this one is called the Auto Air. It comes obviously in this heavy-duty zippered bag. It has extended battery leads compared to their competitors, as well as an extended hose to make it easier to hook everything up. And here's how simple it is to use. You're gonna hook the red end of the cable up to the positive, the black end up to the negative of your battery. Then take your hose kit, hook that up to every single one of your valve stems as well as the compressor. It's hard to see, but basically it'll blink 3 times. Hopefully you saw that in the video. When you dial in your pressure, see it blinks 3 times, tells you that I have it set to 30 PSI. 10.2 is my current PSI. And then after that, you basically tell it whether you're doing a single tire or a multi-tire. I'm sorry about the sun there, guys, but it's brutal here in Texas. But this is why doing something like this is nice, because you're setting it to the PSI, you hit multi, it starts. And now I'm in the Jeep with the Jeep on. I got my AC on, I got my windows up. I'm enjoying the air conditioning, I'm cooling down. And that thing is gonna air up every single one of my tires to what I set it at, 30 PSI. On its own. It's gonna stop when it gets to 30 PSI and I'm done. Pretty cool. It's nice at a park that has its own air because you're not out in the heat. It's nice when you don't have a park that has its own air. And the single and multi function is really awesome because if you use their original setup and you use it to just do a single tire, it will air up that single tire. But the problem is there's too much pressure in the compressor. It's not meant just to do one tire at a time, and it will eventually fail. Another reason it's nice is because you can air up trailer tires, right? I can have the Jeep on the trailer, hook it to the battery of the Jeep, start the Jeep, and air up all 4 of my trailer tires as well. It will go up really high, I believe over 100 PSI. So guys, this is a really awesome product from a really cool company. They're gonna stand behind their product. They're gonna support it. If you have any issues, you can reach out to them, let them know. They'll handle it just like any other top-notch company would. I highly recommend picking one of these up because driving back to your campsite, driving home at the end of the day on aired down tires is absolutely not safe, and it will absolutely cause your tires to wear prematurely. And we all are probably aware what happens when you're using a trailer with tires that aren't aired up enough. That can be disastrous. So make sure you get on over there, use this discount code, pick up one of these for yourself, save a little bit of cash, and air up your tires in the comfort of your AC or your heat inside your vehicle at the end of a long day. Anyway, guys, get out there, build something.